Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. So we learn in science about different types of things like living things, non-living things, natural things, man-made things, and we learn about plants and animals. So today we start our new unit. This unit is about our health and our body. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahaday School, and today we start our new unit number 4, our body and our health. So in this unit we learn about our body and which thing healthy for us and which thing not healthy for us, right? So today we start our new lesson number 7, knowing your body. Now in this lesson we learn about our body, and our today's topic is part of our body and what is our body, right? So let's start our today's lecture with one picture. So here you can see there is a one seed. In second picture you can see there is one plant with flower. So right now you are small like this seed. You are now very small. When you grow in future, how you look? You look like flower. So right now you are small, and when you grow then you become big, right? So you will grow. So as we learn in lesson number 3 that plants start growing from seeds and seeds become big tree, like that. Right now you are small. When you start growing you will become adult, right? So in this lesson number 7, we learn something about your body. So we learn about your growth and different parts of our body, right? So this picture show you that you are becoming big, right? So let's start our today's topic. So here lesson number 7, and what is name of this lesson? Knowing your body. So till now we learn lesson number 6, in which we learn about animals, that where animals live, what they eat, and how they are living in forest, all these things. So in this lesson we learn about us, that how we are growing and which part of the body we have. Everything we learn in this lesson, right? So let's start our today's lecture, and the name of this lesson is knowing your body, right? So knowing your body means we learn about our body. So let's see that here you can see two pictures. One is picture of girl and second is picture of boy. So it means we learn about us, girls and boys and all human beings. So first, right now you all are small child, then you become big, then elder, then you are going in 6th standard, 7th standard, and like that you are growing. So all these things from small baby to adult, the journey we learn in this lesson, right? So today we learn about body, and so let's see what we learn in this lesson. Lesson number 7, knowing our body. So what we learn in this lesson? We learn in this lesson about our body and we learn about body parts. So we learn about many other things, but we learn today about our body and our body parts. We also learn about growing, grown up and adult and many other things in this lesson. So let's see what we learn today, body and body parts. So now when we read this word body, that you think in your mind that what is body? right? So today we learn that what is body and which things combine together and make one body, right? So let's see what is body and who is this. She is Chutki, right? You all see the cartoon, and in cartoon you see this cartoon character. The name of this character is Chutki, right? So now just think in your mind that what is body. I know that you all are knowing about many things and everything what we learn, and something which we don't exactly know, but you know that it called body, right? So let's see here what is body. What is this? Here is one boy, right? So we called it boy, but it is body. Now how it's possible? You can see that here is one boy. Now you think that it is a boy. Where is body? So let's see where is body and what is body. So let's sit in train we are going, right? So let's learn. What did you see on your screen? What is this? Yes, it is hand, right? What is this? Hand. So it is part of our body. Just imagine if you not have hand, so what happen? It is your complete body, right? So what is this? Hand. What is the spelling of hand? Hands. Hands. So it is part of our body. So do you see anywhere there is only hand? No stomach, no eyes, no head? No. So if this part are not together, it is not making body. Why? Because when this part become together, it make one structure. This structure is known as body, and we all have all these parts, right? So let's see some parts, right? So second thing, what is this? Right leg and left leg. Now you can see you have two legs, right leg and left leg, right? So how many legs we have? We have two legs. Let's write the spelling. Legs, L-E-G-S. So these are part of our body. So what we do with our legs? We are walking with our legs. If we not have legs, then what happen? You cannot walk. We can run, we can walk, we can cycling, all these things, right? So we learn about legs in next lecture, but today we learn about only legs. When we learn about legs in next lecture, we learn that about toes and many other things, right? Now let's see next one. What is this? It is face, right? So what is this? Face. But this face has no eyes. So what happen if we not have eyes? We cannot see, right? So it is face and it is our mouth. We called it mouth also. Here you can see eyes, which is not right now. Then you can see forehead, nose, tongue, mouth, all these things, and these all things together making one face. So face is the part of our body, right? So now you can understand that body have many parts, and every part, each and every part is very important for our body, right? Now let's see which is next one. What is this? So now you can see it is hair. So now you think it is golden or brown hair, right? So we all have black hair, right? So some people have black hair, some have brown, some have other color hair, right? So it is hair. It is also part of our body. Sometimes we cut hair, sometimes we totally cut hair. Then we can see head of our body, right? So this hair covers our head, right? So it is also part of our body. What is this? It is hair. Now you can touch your hair, right? So you have black hair mostly. Then what is this? It is eyes. So when we see things, like right now you are watching TV, so what you use for watching TV? How you know that it is lecture of science? When you see the spelling of science, right? So we use our eyes for see things. Now let's see spelling of eyes, EYES, right? One more thing you can see in this picture, small thing, with which we can breathe. Remember, we learn in lesson number 1 that living things breathe fresh air, right? So when we breathe, what we use? We use nose, right? So nose is also part of our body. Today we learn about part of body, but how this part combine together and making one structure, right? So it is eyes and nose. Now next. Now how you know that this is voice of science teacher? How you know that there is a sparrow is speaking? Or you learn that where is train is going, right? So how we know this? When we hear the voice of train, right? So then we know that train is going, right? We cannot see train from our house, but we can hear the voice of train, right? So how we hear the voice of train? With our ears, right? So ears are also part of our body. So when we learn about ears in next lectures, we learn that ears are very helpful to our body. But today we only learn about different part of our body. And how many ears we have? We have 2 ears. You can count here 1 and 2. You can count your ears only. 1 and 2. Right? So let's see next. Here you can see the spelling of ears, EARS. Now next, what is this? Yes, it is mouth. You can call tongue also here. You can see lips also. But these tongues and lips together making one mouth, right? So when we speak anything, right now I am speaking. So what I am using? I am using my lips also. I am using my tongue also, right? All these things together making mouth. So now you can see the spelling of mouth, MOUTH. So tongue, lips, teeth, all these things are in our mouth. So mouth is also part of our body, right? Now let's see next one. Now what is this? When it is empty, what happen? You feel hungry, right? So what is this? It is our tummy, right? So when we eat something, it is full. When we feel hungry, it means it is empty, right? So what is this? It is stomach. We called it stomach. Mostly you all have stomach pain, right? When you don't want to go school, you tell your mother that I have stomach pain. So it is stomach, right? So we called it tummy also, right? So it is also part of our body, and in this stomach so many parts we have. So when we going in other standard, in second, third, fourth, fifth, you learn about parts of stomach also, but in first standard you only learn about stomach. So inside our stomach so many parts are, right? So it is a stomach and it is a part of our body. So when you feel hungry, remember that your stomach is empty, and when you full it, you feel better, right? So let's see which is next one. Here is all part of our body. Most of the part I put here pictures. First is hands. So how many hands we have? 1 and 2. So it is a part of our body. We have 2 hands, right? So we learn about hands in next lecture. Then second, what is this? Yes, it is legs. And how many legs we have? 1 and 2. You can count your leg also. Check your legs. You have 4 legs. If you have 4 legs, then you are animal. And if you have 2 legs, then you are human beings. So now count your legs, 1 and 2. So animals have 4 legs and human beings have 2 legs, right? So let's see which is next one. Part of body. What is this? It is hair. So again, it is brown hair, but we all have black hair, right? Now I ask you one question, that you can count your hairs. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, we cannot count our hair. Why? Because there are so many hairs and we cannot count it, right? So here you can see the hair, part of our body. Then next, tongue or mouth. You can see here tongue also. You can see here teeth also and lips also. So what is this? It is mouth, right? So it is part of our body. Then next, eyes. So these all are part of our body. Other parts are also like ears, nose, then forehead, cheeks, stomach, chest. All these are part of our body. But when these all things together, our body we can see. Now let's see that how this part of body together, right? So let's see. First, let's write the spelling of body parts. So first is hands. As we learned that we have 2 hands, right? 1 and 2. Then legs, eyes. So we use our eyes to see things. Then ears. We have 2 ears, 2 eyes, 2 legs and 2 hands, right? Then next, tongue. So we can taste anything with tongue, right? So if it is spicy, we can feel with tongue. If it is sweet, we use our tongue. We also use our tongue to speak. So without tongue, we cannot speak. Then next, stomach. And so it means our body has many parts. So here we only see some parts of our body, right? So let's see when these all parts together what happen, right? So now we create one body here with picture, right? So let's see first. Now you have to tell me that which body part it is, right? What is this? It is tummy. Now you can see your tummy also, right? Tummy means stomach. What is this? Stomach. Now we learn that how these body parts join together, right? So first body part you can see here is stomach. Now let's see which is next part. Hand. Which hand it is? Right or left? Left hand. So we have only one hand, right? Yes or no? So how many hands we have? We have two hands, right? So let's join second hand. Now which part you can see on your screen? One stomach and two hands, right? So we learn about hands, that how many fingers we have and which body part we have in hand. But today we only learn about hands, that we have two hands. Now let's see which is next part of our body. Yes, now it is left leg or right leg? Yes, right leg. So when we learn about hand, first we joined left hand, and today we learn about legs also. So in picture which leg we joined first, right or left? Right leg, right? Now let's see, we have two legs, right? So let's join second leg, and it is left leg. Now we have three body parts: stomach, hands and legs, right? So our body is complete now, yes or no? Where is face? There is no face. So how you eat and breathe and drink water and how you see? Right? So first we have to complete body. Now let's see which is next part. Now just think that if you have only this body part, then what happen? You can eat? No. You can see things? No. Then what happen? So we need all body parts, and each and every body part is important for our body, right? So now let's see which is next body part. Yes, what is this? It is mouth. So in mouth we have tongue, we have teeth, right? So just imagine if you have only tongue, then how you eat things if you not have teeth? So you cannot chew things, right? So mouth is very important part of our body. Now let's see which is next part of our body. Now you tell me that which part it is. I can see two parts of body. Yes, first is nose. With nose we can breathe, and second is eyes. With eyes what we do? We can see things, right? Now we have two eyes and two nose, right? Yes or no? No, we have only one nose, right? So here you can see two eyes and one nose and one tongue. Now let's see which is next body part. Yes, ear. Now we have only one ear, right? Wrong. So where is second ear? We have left ear. So now we need right ear. So now you can understand that body part we have ears, hands, legs and eyes. These all are two body parts. Left ear, left hand, left leg and left eyes and right leg. So when we have two body parts, we divide in two directions, right and left. Now which body part you cannot see here? Yes, it is hair. Now our body is complete. So what is last body part we add? It is hair and forehead. So let's see different part of our body. So first we take out all part of our body. So first we take out hair, then eyes. No, it is ears, not eyes. Ears, then eyes, then mouth, then legs, hands and stomach. So now we have only stomach. Now you tell me that which is next body part we add. So now we quickly add body parts. So first we add left hand, then right hand, then right leg and left leg. So here is our half body. Now next is our mouth with tongue and teeth, eyes, two eyes and one nose, then left ear, right ear and hair. So our body is complete. Now let's do again, right? So first remove all body parts. Now quickly, fast. Hands, left and right, legs, right and left, then mouth, then eyes and nose, then ears and hair. So these all body parts together making one structure. We called it body, and because these all are part of our body, that's why we called it body parts. Now let's see that which body part: hands, legs, eyes, ears, tongue, stomach and hair. So this all together make our body. So now you can understand that parts together making one structure, and this structure is known as body, right? So we learn about body, right? Now let's see next topic, body parts. So today we quickly see the part of our body, right? So let's see. Sit in our train, we are going. So here you can see different body part which we learn: hands, legs, mouth and stomach. Now let's see, here is one picture and now we have to write the name of these body parts. So first arrow is, you can see, showing us brown color hair. Top of the body, what we see? Hair. So what is the spelling of hair? Let's see. Hair. H-A-I-R. Now second, we called it head. Now we called it forehead also. We called it head also. Now let's see which is next. Face. So we learned that face has many parts. Now let's see which part face has. Neck. Now you can see your neck also after face. Then chest. You can see the arrow. which show us that which body part it is, right? Now next is arms, right? So we have two arms. Arm is a part of our hand. Now arrow is showing you hand. Now this hand, part of the body with fingers, it is hand. Then our tummy, we called it stomach. Then legs, and last one is foot, right? So this is body part: hair, head, face, neck, chest, arm, hand, stomach, leg and foot, right? Now let's see other side. Eyes, you can see eyes, two eyes. Then ear, we have two ears, left ear, right ear. Then nose, we have one nose. Then teeth, white color teeth. Mouth, shoulders, elbow, fingers, knees and toe. So these are body parts, right? So this all body part you can see here. So this all body part together making one structure, and this structure is known as body. So now you can understand that what is our body. So we have two eyes, two ears, two legs, two hands, 10 fingers, one nose, right? So all these are our body part. So today we learn about our body also, that what is our body and how part together making one body, right? So I hope you all are enjoy. So we will meet tomorrow. Take care of yourself and stay healthy.